Talk about a change in the weather this weekend that could lead to the first PG&E power safety shutoffs of the season. The utility is warning it may have to cut power because of gusty winds and fire danger. The shutoffs would impact about 5,800 customers across 13 counties, including Yolo, Stanislaus, and Colusa counties. PG&E says it is anticipating wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour in certain spots. The shutoffs could start Saturday morning.
CBS 13's Brady Halblab joining us live from Colusa, where PG&E and firefighters are keeping an eye on the weather. Brady.
Well, guys, it's pretty calm right now, but that's all expected to change by tomorrow morning. And both PG&E and fire crews are both erring on the side of caution.
It's going to hurt my refrigerator.
Longtime Colusa resident Glenda Allaton is among those who may have their power shut off this weekend.
All my food's going to go bad.
Other than her food, she's most worried about missing her favorite Spanish soap opera.
My power's going to shut off. I'm not going to see my soap opera.
With dry and gusty conditions expected, PG&E says it may start public safety power shutoffs, impacting more than 6,000 customers spanning from the Bay Area to the Central Valley, 600 of them here in Colusa.
We just need to shut them down during the peak of the storm to keep people safe.
High winds can cause tree branches to hit power lines, damaging them and ignite wildfires. As a result, the company says it may turn off power to prevent that from happening.
We're definitely in the midst of wildfire season. This is our first public safety power shutoff potentially in 2022, and we just want our customers to be prepared.
Meanwhile, to the east, fire crews are keeping a close eye on high-risk areas.
To see those winds come in with those very low humidities is obviously a real concern for us.
CAL FIRE's Chief Brian Estes says they're bolstering up crews throughout the Sierra Mountains as they issue a fire watch, one level down from a red flag warning.
We're going to pre-position and move equipment around the geographic region to best affect our ability to suppress fires at an initial attack phase should they come forward.
Now, Chief Estes also tells me that this time of year is always a concern for them. And although it is cooling down, it's that change in temperatures from warm to cold that always brings those high winds, guys.